Are you looking to buy your first camera in 2021? And are you eyeing the Nikon Coolpix B500 with those 3D eyes? Well, in this video, I'm gonna tell you if the Nikon Coolpix B500 is worth buying this year. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me, especially about this camera, Nikon Coolpix B500, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today we're going to talk about this camera and see if it is worth buying in 2021. If you want to buy a new camera, guys, there are two things you should consider according to me: your need or purpose and your budget. Your budget and your purpose. Now, if your budget is around 20,000 rupees and your purpose is to start with photography and vlogging, then you may consider the Nikon Coolpix B500. But if your budget is around 30,000 rupees, then you can skip this video, guys. You can afford a better camera, definitely better than the Nikon Coolpix B500. And if you already have a point and shoot camera, it makes no point to buy another point and shoot. You should think about upgrading to a DSLR or mirrorless camera, or even an advanced point and shoot camera. But if your budget is around 20,000 rupees and you want to start with photography and a little bit of vlogging, then please continue watching. This 16 megapixel camera cost me around rupees 17,130 rupees. It has 40x optical zoom, that is equivalent to around 160mm focal length. Its zoom can reach very far, so you can click some good bird and wildlife photos with it. Its inbuilt flash and manual focus can make macro photography fun too. Since this is a point and shoot camera, I cannot attach another lens to it. Its lens is fixed, so it does not give me the versatility of a DSLR. But let's look at the bright side. You can use the same lens for portraits, macro, birds, landscapes all at the same time. It gives me full HD video recording at 30 and 60 fps, but vlogging with it can be a pain as I cannot attach an external microphone to it and its screen cannot move to the side. So vlogging can be a bit annoying, but if you have some good sound editing skills and you have a friend to help you check your framing, then you can manage. You can use the SnapBridge app to transfer photos from the camera to your phone easily. With this camera, I also got 20 GB worth of disk space at Nikon Image Space, which was useful. You can consider other cameras in this range like Nikon Coolpix A900 and Canon SX540 HS. The main advantage of these cameras is that they have a manual mode, so I can set the ISO, aperture and shutter speed the way I want them to be. In the B500, I can only set the ISO and not the shutter speed and aperture. Prices rupees 19,999 for the Nikon Coolpix A900 and rupees 19,499 for Canon SX540 HS. If you can pump up your budget to around 25,000 rupees, you may also consider the Sony Cybershot DSC HX400V. Priced at around 24,999. It gives me 50x optical zoom, 20 megapixel image resolution, a manual mode, external microphone port, and an electronic viewfinder. The purpose of me buying my Nikon Coolpix B500 was that I wanted to start with a little bit of photography. I didn't know if I had a burning interest in photography. What if I would lose my interest and the camera would have been just lying in my cupboard? I was not sure, so I didn't want to spend my money on something that I was not very sure about. My budget was around 20,000 rupees, which was not enough to buy a DSLR. And if I would have researched about more options, I would have definitely come across the Nikon A900, and then the story would have been a little different. Anyway, I bought this camera and I used it. I took some amazing photos and videos with it. And when I developed a burning interest in photography and YouTube, I bought my DSLR, Nikon D5300. And since I had used this camera for over a year, I was confident while using my DSLR since I knew the basics, and I was able to use it in a more creative way. Now, many people ask me if this camera is good for commercial photography. I don't think so. If you will approach a big brand or an agency with this camera, I don't think you're going to be very successful. But you can start photographing for your friends and family members and take little baby steps to build your portfolio. So guys, as a conclusion, the Nikon Coolpix B500 is a great camera to start with photography in 2021. If you like this video guys and found it to be useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about the camera you want to buy in 2021. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous B500 tutorial and here is a playlist that lists all my content about this camera. Please go check these videos out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.